Oh yes, we just arrived from the cinema. Sit down.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah, how was the film? Come on, give us review.
Yeah, because we are looking for the film recommendation. Because maybe next day we want to watching the cinema too.
Yeah, the film is really good. It teaches us a lot of things if we pay close attention to the message.
Yes, that's right. Yes. What kind of message is that?
Yes, come on, you want to know.
By the way, the title of the film is Orient and Pure. So brilliant.
Yeah, it's such an incredible, beautiful movie about facing our fears and appreciating the beauty not also of night but also of life.
Wow, really interesting.
Yes, I'm really curious.
Yeah, so don't forget to watch if you go to the cinema.
Yeah, it's really recommended for you guys.
Okay then.
Thank you for recommendation. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.